Hello boys and girls of the internet. Now if you're here because you want to learn how to do a split level in 3 minutes less, that's what I'm here to do. You see how this is? Do you know how to make a room inside of a room? Of course you do. You've been playing The Sims long enough. It's literally just this. We're going to make that. We're going to make this big enough. Let's say we've got that, right? Let's say that I want to be able to go 1, 2, 3 right here. We're going to go across. Now, you see how that room is. Let's make this a little bit bigger along with this one. So let's say this section right here, I want this to be a little bit bigger. Let's say I want that to be a stage area like this, right? Well, you now have that, so let's show you what you want to do. You see these two little arrows right here? 1, 2, 3. You now have a stage area. You can remove that wall, and you can even go in and say that you want to move that back a little bit, move that back a little bit. You can now keep that as it is. It's a raised area. If you want, you can also do exactly like this. This is raised. You can keep it like that. Sims can watch, and you can make it a grand stage. You can make it whatever you want. And yes, you can go in reverse of this too. So let me show you how that works. Let's say, for instance, you want to have like this cool looking area where you want your house to have like a dipped in, I don't know, maybe you want a dipped in kitchen, or you want a dipped in, I don't know, you pick something, whatever you want to make, a living room, a lounge, whatever. You want it to look really, really super cool, and you want that right there. Okay, cool beans. Let's make that happen. So now that you've got that, you can do the exact same thing. Let's put those walls back up, because the walls got deleted when I did that. Well, because, okay, actually, because the walls are where they are and they're dipped in, that means I would have to do this. Alright, so now that you've got that, you can go back, you can take that out. Come on. You can put that back in and fix the roof. You know how to do that probably. And there you go. Same exact thing. You even add stairs once again. Turn them to your liking, do whatever you want. There you go. Now you know how to make split level places. If you've never made a split level before and that's what you want to do, you want to put split levels somewhere and you want to make it look really cool, do that. That's how you make a split level in 3 minutes or less. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Later.